Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to get Spotify Premium on iPhone. So if you want ad-free music, offline downloads, and unlimited skips, just follow along. First, open Safari on your iPhone and go to Spotify's Premium page. Unfortunately, Spotify Premium subscriptions on iPhone are usually completed through Spotify's website rather than the app directly. Next, sign into your Spotify account. Make sure you're using the same account that you use in Spotify app. After that, choose the premium plan you want. You can select individual, student, duo, or family depending on your needs. Now tap the button to continue and enter your payment information. Once the payment is completed, your account will be upgraded to Spotify Premium. After that, open Spotify app on your iPhone. If premium features don't appear right away, close the app completely and then reopen it again. You should now have access to premium features like ad-free listening, offline downloads, and higher quality audio. So that was how to get Spotify Premium on iPhone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.